Ultramobile offers affordable prepaid plans operating on T-Mobile's network, providing flexible options for budget-conscious users. First, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network bands. For physical SIM cards, power off your device completely. Locate the SIM slot, usually on the side or under the back cover, and insert the Ultramobile SIM card with the gold contacts facing down. For eSIM-compatible devices like modern iPhones and select Android phones, download the Ultramobile app and scan the provided QR code for instant digital activation. Next, activate your service by visiting ultramobile.com/activate or using the Ultramobile app. Enter your SIM card's ICCI number found on the card or packaging, choose your preferred plan, and complete payment. Activation typically takes 5 to 15 minutes, after which you'll receive a confirmation SMS. If you encounter any issues during setup, Ultramobile offers 24/7 customer support through chat or phone to assist you.